Liam and Olivia are having a casual chat about the housework they need to do at home.
Ugh, Liam, I feel like housework never ends. There's always something to clean or organize.
I know, right? No matter how much I clean, my apartment gets messy again so fast. What's the household chore you dislike the most?
Probably washing dishes. I don't mind cooking, but I hate doing the dishes afterward. What about you?
I'm with you on that. I hate washing dishes, especially after cooking a big meal.
Do you at least have a dishwasher?
Yeah, but sometimes I still have to wash some things by hand, and I don't like it.
Same here. What about laundry? When do you usually wash your clothes?
I do my laundry every Sunday. I keep my dirty clothes in a laundry basket in my bathroom. What about you?
I do laundry twice a week, usually on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I keep my dirty clothes in a hamper in my bedroom.
That's smart. Do you iron your clothes often?
Not really. I only iron my clothes when I have an important event or meeting. Do you?
Nope. I try to buy clothes that don't need ironing.
Good strategy. What about sweeping and mopping?
I usually sweep and mop the floors on Saturday mornings. It's part of my weekend cleaning routine.
Me too. I clean my floors in the morning while listening to music. It makes it more fun.
That's a great idea. I also listen to music or a podcast while cleaning. It makes chores feel less boring.
Absolutely. Speaking of cleaning, do you cook at home or do you prefer eating out?
I cook most of the time because it's cheaper and healthier, but sometimes I order takeout when I don't feel like cooking.
Same. I like cooking on weekends, but during the week, I sometimes grab something quick.
If you had the chance, would you pay someone to clean your house, or do you prefer to do it yourself?
Oh, if I could afford it, I'd definitely hire someone to help with cleaning. But right now, I have to do everything myself.
Same here. Maybe one day, when we're rich, we'll have housekeepers.
Yes, but for now, we just have to keep cleaning and organizing ourselves.
Well, at least we know how to take care of our homes.
That's true. Now, time to go home and do some cleaning.
Good luck. See you later.
Thanks. See you.